from grade 11, and what number on your priority list would reference books be on?
Number of reference books or name of books? What you are asking?
How would you prioritize reference books over normal books?
How would you prioritize reference book?
How important are they over the regular books?
Okay.
By normal books, I assume you're referring to the Fiji package. So Fiji packages are the most important. If you do them completely, thoroughly, you shouldn't have a problem. But in case you feel like you need more practice, you can take other reference books. But Fiji is most important.
So first priority was Fiji book for you. Maybe some topics are there which you are not understanding enough from Fiji books. So that time you used to refer books, or how was it? So his question is, first you should do Fiji book or first you should do reference book. How much focus and priority should be given to reference books, right? So how many reference book you used to do other than Fiji books?
One or two books.
One or two books
Per subject.
Yeah, just one important point here is you can have one or two reference books, but solving too many books, focusing on like 3 books, suppose each book has 200 questions and you are solving 150, 150, 150 from each of them. How many you have solved? 150 from each book. How much you have solved? 450. 450 questions. Effort is more. And suppose there is one student who has solved 200 questions from one book, proper source, proper book. Who has more chance to qualify IIT with a better rank? 451. 201. Why? Because average student will leave those 50 tough questions. 150 questions are repeated in nature in all 3 books. You don't raise your level. Average student will leave those 50 questions and 80% of the question will come from those 50. Which average student will leave. So it is more important to work on your concept to raise your level from the right source, and of course we have to do enough problems, but not too many books. That is not right. That is not the right strategy. Anyone? Yeah.
I think you should concentrate more on problems. So you need to maximize the number of problems you do. So you get to know more number of concepts. Like if you've seen a repeated problem, just don't do it. Like you'll get to know, right? Like if you, for example, no, I don't have any example. Okay. so you need to just skip those questions, but you need to maximize the number of questions. You should get to know more number of concepts. So you maintain on concepts through questions. So it's okay if you do different books, but you shouldn't repeat the same questions. You should do the extra questions which are not there in other books. So I think that'll help.
So how do you identify questions are relevant or not? Every book you find different concepts.
Yeah.
So how do you really identify the questions are relevant or not?
Relevant means in portions, I think.
Like for IITG Advanced, any topic you take.
Yeah.
So there will be like, in maths also, see IIT maths is different, maths is different, CAT is different,
Yeah.
IAS maths is totally different, university maths for SAT is totally different. So concepts can be different, but what's your goal? And it should be relevant to that concept. So how do you identify that?
I think you shouldn't look too much on relevance. Like you might think every question is too hard for IIT, so you shouldn't look like that. Everything is actually it may come, who knows? Like any question can come in IIT. So you should just keep doing more questions. Like it'll help you build your confidence.
To be honest, don't look at that kind of stuff. Just solve every question, however easy it is. See, what the easy questions do is they'll allow you to use certain tools faster. Say, for example, matrix multiplication or something. Now, that's a very simple thing to do, but then doing it quick matters a lot. It helps with different questions. So, solve the easy ones too. Don't just think, oh, IIT, start with level 2 and stuff. Go from the beginning. If you feel like you need a challenge, maybe just skip a few questions, come this side, but don't forget to finish the easy ones too. They help a lot, trust me.
See, best thing is to have the concept list ready for every topic, every subject. You should have concept list. So ensure that by every concept, you are knowing the application of that concept. Like for example, straight line, you will have different concepts. Parametric form is one concept, and bisector, angle bisector is one concept. So on each concept you have solved varieties of question which strengthens your concept, your application. If you have missed questions based on that, then search for questions. So that is very important. Concept wise you should do questions. Anyone else?